Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video you are going to learn how to create new Excel sheet. So there are three ways to create new Excel sheet. First one is to right click on your desktop and here in bottom you can see the option new and a dialog box will open in which you can see different options are available, and here Microsoft Excel sheet, you can see this. Click on this and the new Microsoft Excel sheet is created. Double click it to open this, and now the second method is go in File tab and here you can see new and click on create. So the new sheet is created. And the third method to create new Excel sheet is the short key, which is Ctrl plus N. Press Ctrl button and N and new Excel sheet will be created. So this is how you can create new Excel sheet. In the end, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.